Hello, I received the Innx Suede Microfiber couch cover to protect your couch from dog hair, dog pee, cat hair pee, when your kids are sitting there trying to drink something and it spills everywhere. As you can see, I have a full-size couch here, and it basically covers it. And it has arm covers right here, so this can go over a bigger couch. And this flaps over, so there's quite a bit of space right there too. And it also protects down at the bottom for the most part. If you look under here, what you do is you fold this over and you fold that down when you want to put the couch cover on your couch. And as you can see, there is a styrofoam tube right here, and there's 3 over there and there's 1 over there for that arm too. You push it down in there and then take your cover and throw it over the arm just like that. And you can kind of tuck it in right there. And then right here is an elastic band that wraps all the way around the couch to the other side over here. As you can see, there are also loops. There's 3 sets of loops on here that I'm not sure if they're for this, or I have to look that up and see if it'll show me. But you might want to get another band or something that might be able to connect from that side to this side. It covers well with spills and everything, and when the dogs get on it or I sit on it, it stays put. When our kids get on it, it doesn't tend to stay. The little styrofoam things come out of the couch and everything kind of goes everywhere, and I have to re-put it on the couch, which is kind of annoying. But the material is not slippery. Feels really good. It's nice and soft, so when you're sitting on it, you shouldn't slide everywhere. The only thing I'm thinking of is our couch is kind of a silky material, so it may not be keeping this from sliding. So overall, I do recommend it. It's a good cover to just throw on top of your couch when you want to protect it, and then when company comes over, just pull it off maybe. So I like it. It's just that when the kids get on it, it doesn't really stay put. Thank you.